Hey guys, here's the Breeze Bellhaven 2 ceiling fan from Lowe's. Just turned off, so I guess we'll go ahead and turn on low. This one has a dimmer. Can you turn on the switch, please?
Sure. Wait, this I had it on. You turned it off from there.
Yeah, here we go.
Is that a dimmer switch?
Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why it's like dimmer. I don't know why it's like dim like that.
I didn't even know we had that one yet.
Alright, well, bring up the speed a little bit. Probably since maybe this film was probably out in 2011.
It's such an unusual.
We'll put it up. And that's just the only speed. Can you try to pull the pull chain on that one? Not
just this one?
No, not that one. There's one up there. Yeah.
It's so different, you know.
What the? Try the light. Can you try it?
Try this one?
Yeah. Try to turn it back on. Yeah, try that out. Try this fan speed one more time and see if it's yeah. I'll try it again. Pull it. There we go. Now it's on high. Alright, let's turn on.
Turn it off?
Turn on low. Turn back to the low speed. Medium.
This is medium?
Yep. And then turn back to low, which is the next one. Harbor Breeze Bellhaven. Alright, now we'll go ahead and turn it off. There we go. Alright, thanks for watching.